According to the passage, one of Moscow's party chiefs claimed that A. The city was built by a drunken peasant, B. The city needed a good swimming pool, C. The Germans should stop shelling churches, or D. The Russians should have more art restorers. Let's take a look at the text and see which answer it provides as a fact. In the first paragraph, we can see that one of Moscow's party chiefs claimed that Moscow was built by a drunken peasant, almost identically mirroring the text in choice A. This is very likely our answer, but we're going to go on just to be sure. B. The city needed a good swimming pool. Although the text does discuss one of the churches being replaced by a swimming pool, it doesn't talk about the need for one, and can therefore be marked as incorrect. C. The Germans should stop shelling churches. The text does discuss the attack of the Nazis and how it caused further destruction, but nowhere does it say that it should have been stopped or anybody was talking about stopping shelling churches. Therefore, we can mark this as incorrect. And D. The Russians should have more art restorers. This may be a conclusion that you would draw after reading this text, but nowhere does it say that explicitly in the text itself. Therefore, this can be marked as incorrect, and we are left with A. The city was built by a drunken peasant, and our final answer.